Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.